Okay, I'm about to start letting them in.
I did send the email. You guys can check it. Ms. Williams, Mr.
Yes, I received it. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Good morning. Please mute your devices. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras esta corte esté en sesión, por favor asegúrese de que sus dispositivos estén en silencio. En esta corte no se permite estar caminando de un lado a otro, hablando, comiendo, tomando. Debe estar sentado derecho y quieto en un solo lugar y estar debidamente y apropiadamente vestido para la corte. No se permiten camisetas ni ningún tipo de cobertura en la cabeza, a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins, la cual entra en sesión ahora.
Okay, everyone. Good morning to you. What I'm going to do is the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Buenos días a todos. Yo voy a tratar de hacer esto de la manera más eficiente y rápida posible y los voy a estar llamando en el orden en que se fueron registrando.
The sheriff's department was certified. They'd gotten in there.
Turn off your devices or mute your phones, please.
Por favor, asegúrense de que tienen todos sus micrófonos en silencio.
And mute your background noise when we call your name, please.
Y por favor, cuando llamemos su caso, su nombre, abran su micrófono, pero por favor mantengan el ruido donde están bajo.
All right, are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. My name is Emma Hernandez, as CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter number 15575.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. And good morning, Ms. Villarreal. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is going to be the city of Detroit versus Magdalena Cruz Garcia, case number SP 182-76791. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Magdalena Cruz Garcia.
You don't need an interpreter, ma'am?
I do not.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. In lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. So for that, we're going to close your matters out, okay?
Okay.
All right, we thank you for the community service and we wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Doesn't gotta step away, Brad, 2 files.
All right. City of Detroit versus Omari Gill. Case numbers SP 104-15, strike that, SP 104-10591, SP 122-2197, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 122-2265, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 126-7855, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 157-3825, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 893064. 1-17-3911-091, 2070-2622, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please.
Omari Gill.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gill.
How you doing?
Very well. Today is the date and time set for a review. And then you were allowed to do 100 hours for community service. I guess some was ordered, some was allowed in lieu of fines and costs. And I'm happy to say that you completed all 100 hours. And I'm sure that the people over there that you service and help certainly appreciate that. I hope that you got something out of it as well.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is for the misdemeanors, I am going to dismiss, and for the civil infractions, I'm going to close out on all the matters, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, we certainly appreciate the community service, sir. I do wish you the best of luck, and you have a very...
Just give Your Honor. I have one thing to say. Out of all the tickets I received about the court today, I was just flicking through them. One of them said I have a court date for tomorrow, 319. 319, and I thought that might have been a typo or something, because all the rest of my tickets say 318 for the day. This is the only one that says 319, and I'm just making sure that.
Case number is that?
Case number. My glasses. Hold on 1 second. I think it's where my glasses at, baby. No, 1 second, sir. SP 122219710T.
That's gonna be dismissed. Disregarded. That's gonna be dismissed. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. I just want to make sure. I just want to make sure that I have to come back to court tomorrow. Okay.
No, you're good.
Okay.
Have a great rest of your day. But
okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right. It's the City of Detroit versus Daniel Green. Case numbers SP 17449-161, SP 1802361, SP 1802361. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Daniel Green. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 60 hours of community service. You completed 31 of those hours. So for the 31 hours, SP 17449-161, I'll dismiss. And SP 1802361, I'll close out. And for SP 1802361, I will dismiss. Do you plan on doing the other community service hours?
Do I have to do it, or if I have to do it, I will?
You'll just owe this other money to the court.
I just owe the other money to the court.
Yes.
And how much would that be? Because I start my job Friday. This Friday I start a new job.
Like $915 minus $175. So you're looking at somewhere in the area of 700 some odd dollars.
I had to pay that if I don't complete the community service, or do I gotta complete? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
You have to pay it if you don't complete the community service.
Oh, I'll complete the community service.
You'll complete the community service?
Yes, sir.
That changes things, didn't it?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I'm trying to get my license back. Yeah, but I just do it like that.
It's not affecting, none of these tickets are affecting your license.
Okay.
All right. When are you going to complete it? I'll give you another 30 days since you said you're starting your job.
Yep.
Come back on April the 15th, 2026. Has to complete 29 more hours. All right. If there's nothing further, we appreciate the hours you did complete. And if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. Okay.
Okay. I got a question for you. So if I complete these hours before April 15, can I get back with you, or the gentleman get with you before the 15, and then they can just dismiss the court, or I have to wait till the 15?
Well, well, you don't have to come back because these are all civil infractions anyway. Just let Mr. Phillips, he'll make sure you're on the list when you complete the hours.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good to me.
All right. Good luck on your new job, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You have a blessing.
Thank you. You too. The City of Detroit.
I need to be better. Just can you let us in this? Okay.
The City of Detroit versus Ronaldo Nunez Moreno, case number SP 185-39441. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso del señor Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno, número de caso SP 185-39441. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acto, señor, su nombre.
Mi nombre es Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno.
My name is Reinaldo Muñoz Moreno.
Good morning, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Okay.
Señor, muchísimas gracias. A usted se le ordenó hacer 2 horas de servicio comunitario y hoy es el día para la revisión del mismo. Veo que las ha hecho. Muchísimas gracias y con esto su caso queda desestimado.
If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor, si no tiene más nada que agregar, le deseo la mejor de las suertes y que tenga un excelente día.
Señora, gracias. ¿Necesito recoger algún papel o algo?
Do I need to pick up any kind of paperwork or something like that?
No, you can print the paperwork out online if you choose to.
No, señor, usted puede ir en línea y allí puede imprimir lo que usted quiera.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Alejandro Ramirez Lopez, case number SP 180-39241. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Enséñame el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Alejandro Ramírez López, número de caso SPE 1803-9241. Diga su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Buen día, señor juez y señora traductora. Soy Alejandro Ramírez López.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor, and good morning, Madam Interpreter.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay? I need that
Muy bien,
file.
señor. Sépase que este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una revisión de su caso. Yo le había pedido a usted que usted hiciera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y veo aquí que usted las ha cumplido. Reconociendo eso, le queremos dar las gracias a usted y su caso queda desestimado.
Entendido, de acuerdo. Muchas gracias.
Understood. I'm in agreement, and thank you very much.
All right, very well. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Muy bien, así que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Igualmente, buen día. Muchas gracias.
Same to you and thank you so much.
You're welcome.
De nada.
This is the City of Detroit versus Yvette Lewis, case number SP 8255031. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please. Yvette Lewis. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself?
Buenos días, soy Luis
No,
Valdés.
hold on, hold on.
No, usted, señor, espere, por favor.
Yvette Lewis.
Your Honor. Yes,
good morning.
Your Honor.
You state your name for the record, please.
Yvette Lewis.
All right, there's date and time set for a review. Ms. Lewis, in lieu of fines and costs, you are allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service, and we thank you for that. And for that, we're going to close your matter out, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you, ma'am.
Leland. Yeah, the guy telling. But Leland.
Barry, you're not muted. All right. Let's go into it now. Miranda Gonzalez, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the City of Detroit versus Miranda Leanne Gonzalez, case numbers SP 137-2313, counts 1 and counts 2, 21727712, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gonzalez.
Miranda Gonzalez.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. I just don't see Ms. Gonzalez.
Sorry, my camera's frozen.
Are you gonna have to get your camera fixed, ma'am? I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. There she is. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room and you let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, you read into the record the matters ending in 7121 and 7122, but you also read a 7123, and I don't have that.
7123 is a no ops, unregistered, and then there's 5 cases: no ops, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, and the license expired. Run her license too, please. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. I think she may be in there. She's in there. We'll pass the matter. We'll pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Timothy Gates. Case number SP 1478795, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 147887071. 19498950, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Timothy Gates.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, 272832, on behalf of Mr. Gates.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gates. Today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gates, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. We'll pass the matter. Señor Sanchez.
Señor Sánchez. Eusebio Sánchez.
I see him on the docket. I see him.
Ok. Ya lo encontró, señor, tranquilo.
¿Necesitas interpreter?
Yes.
Buenos días.
Buenos días, señor juez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You have valid insurance?
Señor, ¿tiene seguro válido?
Sí.
Yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Espio Sanchez, case number SP 186411721. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, señor. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Eusebio Sánchez, número de caso SP 186-41721. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
El nombre es Eusebio Peralta Sánchez.
My name is Eusebio Peralta Sánchez.
All right, Mr. Sanchez, good morning. Can you show, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Can you show me some valid insurance, please?
Señor Sánchez, puede yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a poner una fianza de $0. ¿Podría usted, por favor, mostrarme en cámara su seguro?
El Social Security.
No, señor, el seguro del carro.
Perdón.
The Social Security, no, the insurance from the car. Here, ¿me ha pegado?
Move it over just a little bit to your right.
Lo puede bajar un poquito más hacia su derecha. Su
All right,
derecha.
I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing documentation. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Señor, entonces yo voy a desestimar su causa, su cargo, su caso por haber presentado la documentación debida. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya se puede retirar. Eso es todo por el día de hoy.
Tengo una pregunta.
I have a question.
What is your question?
¿Cuál es su pregunta?
Acerca del tinte de las ventanas, ya le quité el tinte de las ventanas porque también me dijo el policía que tenía que quitarlo.
Regarding the tinted windows, I also removed that because the police told me, the police officer told me that I have to remove it.
Yeah, I don't have any ticket in front of me for tinted windows, so if it's nothing further, this case is dismissed, sir. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Sí, señor, yo no tengo aquí ningún ticket, ninguna boleta de infracción por ninguna ventanas oscuras. Así que ya está listo. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, que la mejor de las suertes, ya se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias a ustedes y al señor juez. Muchas gracias por todo.
Thank you very much to you and to the honorable judge. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
A la orden, señor.
Have a great day, sir.
Señor, que tenga excelente día.
Realmente. Gracias.
Same to you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gonzalez. Miss Gonzalez. Ms. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. So what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates for the no registration charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed. She wishes to pay a fine rather than do community service, Your Honor.
Today is not that day, ma'am. You're gonna have to come back and see if you can get that same offer on another day. Today is community service day.
Okay.
I can set you up with another court date on a non-community court date. That'll be April 6th.
Okay, that's fine.
You want to come back on April 6th?
Yes.
Pre-trial, April the 6th, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Israel Vasquez Cortez, case number SP 1864234, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Where is he on the docket, Your Honor?
He's on the second page, the last name under 830.
Velázquez Cortés.
Velázquez Cortés. Se llama, thank you, Your Honor, thank you, Emma. Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus José Velázquez Cortés, número de caso SP 1864-234, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry, representando al acusado. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre completo.
Buenos días. Me llamo José Israel Velázquez Cortés.
Good morning. My name is Jose Israel Velázquez Cortés.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, su señoría, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Okay, está bien.
Will
Okay.
enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Cortez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, señor, y darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora, señor, a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con el señor Berry, quien le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si a usted no le gusta esa oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la sala.
Okay.
We'll
Okay.
pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gates. Mr. Gates, you want to come back on April the 6th and get that offer on April the 6th?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back on April the 6th at 8:30, okay?
8:30, April the 6th, Your Honor.
Yes, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a good rest of your day, okay?
Your Honor.
You're
Your
up.
Honor.
Yes, yes.
And I'm sorry, like I said, I'm the brother-in-law. I'm just trying to, like I said, help him out. So look, they sent 6 tickets to the house, to his house. But it's only 5 on the paper there we got from the 36th District Court.
Yeah, I got 5. I got 6 here though. 6.
Right.
So what is your point?
No, I was just saying, because it says 5 tickets, $390 due. But I'm just saying, it's only 5 on the paperwork that we got from the 36th District Court. But they sent 6 tickets, 6 cards to the house. So
Okay.
I don't know how that works.
Well, you got 6 tickets. I got your summary here. He's got 6 tickets, and we'll get some answer to all of them on the 6th of April, and all of them once we settle up, the rest of them be closed out.
Okay, and look, Ani, I appreciate your help, man. Thank you. That's the 6th of April, right?
6th of April. There's nothing further. Best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, City of Detroit
Yes.
versus Excel Omar El Barinja. Case number SP1847321, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Axel Alvarenga. Número de caso SP-184-7321, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Axel Alvarenga.
You don't need an interpreter, sir?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
For the record, please.
Axel Alvarenga.
I'm waiting on your attorney, Mr. Alvarenga.
I apologize, Your Honor. Cherica Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name again.
Axel Alvarenga.
And
All right, good morning to you. Go ahead.
for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Alvarenga, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Mr. Hajazi, good morning. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Hajazi, good you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Rebecca Escobar is here. Do you know what she wants to do?
Yes, Your Honor. For the arraignment, we would like to just move forward, waive the formal reading, and get a new date.
All right, this is community court too, so if Ms. Escobar is not going to take a deal and she wants to go through the process of procedure of challenging the ticket, then I'm going to send her to an alphabet judge, okay?
Okay, that's no problem. That's what we were intending on doing.
City of Detroit, is Ms. Escobar there? Can you unmute yourself, ma'am? City of Detroit versus Rebecca Escobar, case number SP 1864679, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Rami
Good morning.
Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Rebecca Escobar.
Ms. Escobar, can you press *6 to unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please?
Rebecca Escobar.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, Mrs. Escobar would like to waive the formal reading. We would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf.
And we will do that. We'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Her next court date is going to be in front of Judge Archer on April the 8th at 8:35.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
April the 8th, 8:35, and Judge Archer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you have a very good rest of your day. You got that, Ms. Escobar?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, Mr. Hijazi. You're free to leave, Ms. Escobar.
Thank you.
On the telephone at 313-258-3155. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Hello, sir. My name is Cesar Peña.
Cesar Pena. You
Yes.
are online. All right. All right. This
Yeah, but my camera for some reason don't want to work, sir. That's why I had to call.
You've been here before, haven't you, Mr. Pena?
Yes, I have, sir.
And you've done community service before, correct?
Correct, sir. If it's possible, I would like to do some more hours. If it's not, well, I'll have to pay the ticket. But if you give me a chance, I would like to do some more community hours.
No, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Alvarenga. Mr. Alvarenga, you don't want to do community service, is that correct?
Not if necessary.
I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge, and that's going to be in courtroom 336 on April the 1st, 2026 at 8:35. That Zoom ID is going to be 603360000.
Okay. You want me to write that down?
You can do it if you want to. I would suggest you do.
Yeah, well, I just didn't want to get on my phone while you were speaking. But, yeah,
Well, you can. April the 1st at 8:35, courtroom 336. That's 360 360-336-0000, 360-336-0000, April the 1st at 8:35, okay?
Okay, thank you.
If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
Judge, that's not going to be for me, right?
Not you yet. No, not you, Mr. This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremy Lee Belleville. Case number SP 186-5473, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Norwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the.
I think that would be Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Belleville, please state your name for the record.
Jeremy Belleville.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Bellevue, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. This is gonna be the city of Detroit versus case number SP 186-5233, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Barry, you can do this one quickly.
Elwood S. Berry, Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Is that for me, Judge? Cesar Peña?
Yeah, that's for you.
Okay, Cesar Peña.
All right. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment, Mr. Barry. Purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to send this off to his alphabet judge, Judge Ramsey Heath, on April the 1st, 2026 at 8:30. Her Zoom ID is going to be 360-437-0000. If it's nothing further, Mr. Pena, you have a very good rest of your day, and best
Your
of
Honor,
luck
I
to you.
just got one question. So that means that I don't qualify for the community hours?
No, you've been here before. This is not a revolving door. You continue to get tickets, sir. You're gonna have to go to you're gonna have to go to your alphabet judge now.
All right, thank you.
Your birthday is 6 months.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Horn. Let's go.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Velasquez. Mr. Velasquez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Velázquez Cortés. El señor Velázquez le dio oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing the insurance matter to be dismissed. His number is in the chat.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Es decir, él quiere declararse al cargo de que le permitió una persona sin licencia conducir, reconociendo que el cargo de no tener seguro de vehículo va a quedar desestimado. Y ya tenemos el número de teléfono de él, se lo hemos mandado a usted por el chat.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Así que usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución, señor.
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Raise your right hand.
Bien, así que levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down.
Bien, ya puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted que la penalidad máxima en este caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y o una multa no más alta de $500?
Okay.
Okay.
You understand that?
¿Usted entiende eso?
Sí. Quisiera,
Yes.
quisiera pagar la multa.
And I want to pay the fine.
It's going to be community service, sir. No payment.
Se paga con servicio comunitario, señor. No se paga con dinero.
Okay, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de ir a juicio?
Sí.
Yes. And Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y en la sala privada de consulta, su abogado, el señor Berry, ¿revisó con usted sus otros derechos?
Sí, señor.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
What kind of questions do you have about the rights?
¿Qué tipo de preguntas tiene usted acerca de sus derechos?
¿Cómo va a ser los servicios? ¿Me va a llegar un papel o...?
How am I going to do the service? Am I going to get some paperwork?
Yeah, afterwards, but we're going over your rights right now. We'll explain all that to you after we're done doing what we need to do.
Sí, después. Y también le vamos a explicar todo, pero por ahora estamos revisando sus derechos.
Está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
So you understood those rights Mr. Berry went over with you?
Así que usted comprendió esos derechos constitucionales que el señor Berry revisó con usted?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
Tengo una pregunta.
I have one question.
What is that question?
¿Y cuál es esa pregunta?
Ayer tuve otra corte, no pude entrar.
I have another court date, but I wasn't able to go in.
Y marqué aquí antes de la corte.
And I marked it up here before court.
Y la señora que me contestó me dio un ID y entré, pero ya nadie había en la sala. Y me
And the
dijo,
lady who answered the phone gave me an ID, a Zoom ID.
This is going to take care of everything, sir.
Señor, con lo que estamos haciendo aquí, eso va a resolver todo.
okay.
Okay.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
¿Y hay alguien que le ha ofrecido algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado hoy acerca de lo que vamos a hacer con su caso?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February the 11th, 2026 at around 5:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Verner Highway and Mullane Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, señor, permíteme recordarle la fecha del 11 de febrero del 2026, aproximadamente a las 5:14 en la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit. Y se encontraba usted en el área de las calles de Verner y Mullane. Yes.
All right, were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
No, estaba parqueado, pero sí estaba manejando el vehículo.
No, I was parked, but yes, I had been driving the car.
And the officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara a él una licencia válida de conducir?
Sí, pero no la tenía.
Yes, but I didn't have it.
Very well. I'm going to find you guilty as to the amended count of allowing 12 hours of community service. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor upon completion.
Muy bien, así que acepto su declaración de culpable al cargo modificado de que usted le permitió a una persona sin licencia conducir. Le voy a pedir a usted que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario y una vez que las haya completado, su caso va a quedar desestimado.
With stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter now.
Y si usted puede estipular que hay causa razonable, puedo desestimar el otro asunto ahora, abogado.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría.
All right. Mr., do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Mr. Velazquez?
Y señora, ¿ya tiene usted el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit? Señor Velázquez, ¿tiene el número ya?
No.
No.
You didn't get the number 313-879-2155?
Así que, señor, ¿usted no le dieron el número de 313-879-2155?
Sí.
Yes.
Perdón.
Excuse me.
All right, you have to call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until April the 15th to complete the hours.
Así que, señor, yo le voy a pedir que llame a ese número de teléfono esta tarde, que pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que puedan hacer los arreglos para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Yo le voy a dar a usted hasta el 15 de abril del 2026 para que pueda completar esas horas.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
The hours are complete, we'll dismiss the case.
Y si para esa fecha ya usted ha completado sus horas, el caso queda desestimado.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, any other questions, sir?
Muy bien, ¿alguna otra pregunta que usted tenga, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
And what is that?
¿Y cuál es la pregunta?
El que me aplaqueó las placas del carro, ¿también va a tener problemas o nomás yo?
May I ask him to repeat that, Your Honor?
Ma'am.
Repítame, señor. ¿El que quién?
La persona que me plaqueó el carro, ¿va a tener problemas o nomás yo?
The person who gave me plates for the car, is he going to get into trouble too, or it's just me?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't have anything about him in front of me. It's just you for, I don't know. I can't answer that.
Yo no sé, yo no tengo el nombre de él ante mí. Yo no sé.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's all right.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Así que buena suerte usted, señor, y que tenga buen día.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Dante Therese Grayson. Case number SP126-32171, SP139-7081, counts 1 and counts 2, SP158-57091, SP168-0232, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grayson.
Dante Grayson.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Grayson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Belville. Mr. Belville, I've given you an opportunity to speak, so his license is valid. Oh, she's in the breakout room. On that Zoom user device, good morning to you. Zoom user. Are they still here? Here.
La persona en el usuario de Zoom todavía está allí. Diga su nombre, por favor.
Zoom user, good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Javier Lomelí Medina.
You. Unmute yourself, please.
Señor Lomelí Medina, ponga su micrófono en silencio. Están llamando al Zoom user.
Oh, perdón.
What's your name, sir?
Who, me?
Yes.
Michael Anderson.
Michael Anderson.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. Are
Good
you
morning.
landlord tenant?
Landlord, tenant? No.
Michael Anderson. All right, let me check and see. I don't see you. I don't think I see you on my docket. Let me see.
I think I'm supposed to be in traffic.
Yeah, what is your middle name? Do you have a middle name?
Davis.
Michael Davis. $533 at 1:30.
533 at 1:30.
On 533 at 1:30.
Oh, okay. That's 360-533. I mean 535, right?
No, that's 360-533-0000.
Okay.
At 1:30.
360-533-0000 at 1:30. Thank
Exactly. You're welcome. Best of luck to you.
you. You too.
Can you run that license coming out, please? And then next.
Remind me.
Or Rubia. Who's that?
Hi, good morning. This is Carol Covarrubias.
Do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, give me a second. All right, let's
Okay.
go back on the record with Mr. Belleville. Mr. Belleville, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
And I'm actually asking if the court could check the status of his license.
Yeah, I sent it. He's got a valid license.
Okay. The current offer is he could admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic, and the remaining matters dismissed.
All right. You willing to do community service, sir? Is he willing to do community service, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm placing his contact
Oh,
information.
I'm sorry.
All right, very well.
I'm sorry. I didn't realize that I was muted. Yeah, she told me I was gonna do 6 hours.
Yeah. All right, you want to stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
Stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'll give you until April the 15th to complete the 6 hours. April 15th to complete the 6 hours. Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon to set the hours up, and hours are complete. We'll close the matter out. If there's nothing further, Mr. Belleville, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Thank you very much.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Alden. City of Detroit versus Dewan Gilliard. Case number SP 1862351, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gilliard, please state your name for the record.
Yes, hello, Your Honor. My name is Dewan Gilliard.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. All right, case is going to be dismissed, no officer. That's what I'm reading, correct, right?
But I see, Your Honor. No objection from defense.
Officer Turner, hearing no response. Case dismissed, Mr. Gilliard, best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Will the documentation be sent?
It'll be online. You have to go online and get it up online at the and type in your name at 36 District Court website.
All right, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is City of Detroit versus Johnny Joel Torres Castillo, case number SP 185-8735, counts 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Johnny Torres Castillo, número de caso SP 185-8735, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sí, muy buenos días, señor juez, señora intérprete.
Yes, a very good morning for you, Honorable Judge and Madam Interpreter.
Eric Harris, on behalf of the defendant.
Sí, mi nombre es Cherika Harris, representando al acusado.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands here.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, I'll enter. Good morning to you, sir. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'll give you a $0 bond. I'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She'll attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you do have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Okay.
Muy buenas días a usted, señor. Le voy a mandar una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogada, la señora Harris, quien le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Y voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad y voy a imponer una fianza de $0.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada y déjenos saber lo que quiere hacer una vez que salga.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
We'll pass the matter.
Señor, acepta la invitación.
Okay. This is Corrubia. Good morning to you. Where's Miss Corrubia? Can you show me some valid insurance, please, ma'am?
Okay.
What's going on?
Mr. Alden, you have the judges on Zoom in that courtroom. So do you have your cell phone with you?
I don't like Zoom, but I think it's unconstitutional.
Okay, that's fine. You're entitled to your opinion. But unfortunately, that's the arrangement of that courtroom. So you have to abide by the order of court. So you have to go down to the 336.
I can't hear anything.
Hold on.
I can hear you.
Hold on.
One moment, ma'am. To return to 336 because the chief judge He arranged it. Sign. So that's your courtroom. And the clerk just advised me that he advised you that they will assist you, but you're gonna have to wait to the very end. Yes, because
Time is money and money is time.
And that is
Wasting
true.
my time.
But unfortunately, you're not assigned to this courtroom anymore. So, Judge.
I think it's fraud or something. Because, I let people know I got a tracking device on me. There's been death threats made. My attorney haven't been, communicating, but she called them dirty, they dirty ass. So, Judge.
Watch your language.
That's, I'm just illustrating.
I understand.
Okay. Well, again, that she's supposed to see to it that restraining orders be set and that what officers are being arrested and convicted. I dodged a professional hit Detroit police 3 times and typically upon viewing the DVRs and the body camera that was ordered by Judge Perkins to receive. You phone dirt cops, but you don't do none of these things to protect my interests. And now I got my routing number, car stolen because they didn't hack my phone. There's a lot of things going on. This is supposed to be all over there. Ain't no news coverage.
Hold on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Dante Grayson. Mr. Grayson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for the driving on a suspended license and a plea to improper plates for the no insurance charge, or one of them. The remaining 4 matters to be dismissed.
Take the deal, Mr. Grayson. Say yes.
Yes.
Well, raise your right hand, please. Do you affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
But you have absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Perry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
So by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 5th, 2025 at around 10:55 p.m. City of Detroit in the area of Finkel and Schaefer. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yeah.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why
I just
is
got my
that?
identification because I didn't have a valid driver's license.
Very well. Find him guilty of the amended count of allowing. Is that your vehicle you were driving, this 2007 Chrysler?
No, that's my father's.
Okay, let me do this then. Let me draw your attention back to July the 18th, 2024 at around 7:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Otter Drive and Cherry Lawn. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license at that time.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
So I didn't have a valid license at the time.
Well, find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing on that as well. I'm only gonna fine them on one. It'll be 12 hours of community service. And I'll dismiss it once you complete the 12 hours of community service. I didn't get a good phone number from him, Mr. Barry.
I apologize, Your Honor. I'll enter it right now.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Mr. Grayson?
Yes, he gave it to me.
You won't have any issue of getting in Southwest, get over to Southwest Detroit, will you?
No.
All right, come back on, well, if you don't have to come back necessarily, April 15th is some time I'm gonna give you to do the community service hours. And once I get the number, you'll be free to leave. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and set the hours up. If you don't have any further questions, I'll just wait on the number and I'll let you go, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, he left. All right.
Well, I think Officer Wilson took him.
No, I'm not talking about him.
Oh, you're not talking about him? Okay. Got it.
All right. Hello, Ms. Nash. City of Detroit, Mr. Barry versus Luis Enrique Valdez Barraza, case number SP 1862436, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Barry Jr.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Luis Enrique Valdés Barraza. Números de caso SP 1862-436, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name,
Elwood
Mr.
S. Barry,
Valdez.
representando al acusado. Usted, señor Valdés Barraza, díganos su nombre completo.
Buenos días, su señoría. Buenos días, señora traductora. Mi nombre es Luis Enrique Valdez Barraza.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Madam Interpreter. My name is Luis Enrique Valdez Barraza.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, su señoría, renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente. Vamos a guardar silencio.
Man or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Barraza, good morning to you. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, así que vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0. Buenos días a usted, señor Valdés. Vamos a pasarle usted ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él va a tratar de conseguirle una oferta de resolución y tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución que le proponen, usted siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la sala privada.
Gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Carol Stephanie Carew, case number SP 1862486. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please. Ms. Carovia, can you state your name for the record, please?
Pastor Carol, see she's muted.
Miss Cova Rubia, can you please unmute your device unless she is Spanish speaking?
No, she doesn't. All right, she's having issues with her device. We'll pass the matter.
She's trying to get back in the room.
Hello, ma'am.
Well, it's because I couldn't hear anything. I was wondering if have you called my name? Because I
Yeah, I
couldn't.
called your name. Let's go back on the record. State your name, please.
Carol Covarrubia.
Ms. Corruvia, today is date and time set for an arraignment. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Do you have valid insurance you can present, ma'am?
I have it on my phone. Is there a way I could email it to the court?
I'm gonna put the email address in the chat.
Okay.
I'll put the email address in the chat. Send me the documentation and we can get you out of here once I get it.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, thank you. Give me a sec.
Pass the matter. On the telephone at 313-459-7286. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Hey, good morning, Derek Godley.
Derek Godley. Good morning to you, Mr. Godley. Spell the first, is that D-A-R-R-I-C-K?
That's D-E-R-R-I-C-K.
You were supposed to be here, that seemed like the other day.
Yeah, the 13th. I got confused on what day it was. I forgot the date.
You never finished paying your stuff off either.
I paid $50. I was trying to. I'll be able to pay the what is it, 190 left? I'll be able to pay the 190 when I get my check on the first of the month.
All right, come back on the 2nd, and if it's paid, we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Come back on the 2nd of April at what time?
25.
I didn't hear you, sir.
8:25.
8:25. Okay, 8:20. I make sure I'm write it down, put it in the refrigerator. I won't forget it.
Okay. Unless you forget to look at the refrigerator.
Well, you already have a date.
Right, but I'll be able to pay that total, pay the whole thing off on the 1st when I get my check on 1st of April.
You have a date on for April the 6th, so you come back on April the 6th. You got a few more days.
Come back on the 6th?
Yeah, the 6th.
Instead of the 2nd, the 6th.
Instead of the 2nd.
Okay, sir.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay.
That was Sloan. He's going down there now.
Who?
Mr. Odom.
Excuse
The
me.
attorney for 336 is about to talk to him.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get it? I sent it.
Well, when I see it, I'll get it. I'll let you know. It hasn't come through yet.
Salon came up here?
No, I was on the phone. He was on the.
Are they gonna represent him?
Yeah. He's on. Attorney's gonna come out of
Which
break.
courtroom is that?
It is
Bryant's?
Nancy Adams is covering, but I don't know who. I think it's like an empty courtroom, right?
Oh.
No, it's not empty, it's just unassigned because she's a retired judge.
Okay.
So she just fills in.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Carubia. Ms. Carubia, I've got
Yes.
proof of insurance. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Bye.
We lost your client, Barry?
No, he should be coming in.
I think he fell off.
I guess we lost.
He repeated to me, leave breakout room, but I don't see him.
Let's go. He's on here now.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record for Mr. Valdez. Mr. Valdez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Así que vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Valdés. Señor Valdés le dio oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown a valid international license. He has shown valid insurance, and he has shown that the lights on his vehicle are operative. We seek dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me pudo mostrar una licencia de conducir vigente, es una licencia internacional, me pudo mostrar que tiene ese comprobante de seguro que está válido y también me pudo mostrar las luces en el carro de él que funcionan. Reconociendo esto, le pedimos a la corte que los casos queden desestimados.
Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, caso desestimado, señor. Buena suerte usted y que tenga muy buen día.
Muchísimas gracias a usted, señora traductora, su señoría y al señor abogado.
Thank you so much to you, Madam Interpreter, to my attorney, and to Your Honor.
You're very much welcome, sir. Best of luck to you.
Muchísimo. De nada, señor. Que tenga buena suerte usted.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you, and I wish you the same.
All right. City of Detroit versus Shania Lewis, case number SP 182-04001. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Did she fall off? I think she fell off. Let's pass the matter. The City of Detroit versus Carvin Jose Estraga Romero, case number SP 184-9471, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jardín José Romero, número de caso SP 1849. 4712. Que todos digan su nombre para que consten en el acta.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Arvin. On behalf of
Momento, señor, primero su abogado.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre completo.
Arvin José Astorga Romero.
Harvin José Romero.
Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Y muy buenos días a usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución actualizada. Sépase que si a usted no le gusta esa oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Pase ahora a esa sala privada de consulta, señor Romero. Va a decir join o unirse en su pantalla. Is he there, Your Honor?
Yeah, he's there.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Castillo. Mr. Castillo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el señor Castillo. Señor Castillo le di la oportunidad de que hablara en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, he was able to present valid insurance and registration.
Su señoría, él me presentó seguro y registros válidos.
Okay, I want to dismiss the case, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo voy a desestimar sus cargos por haber presentado la documentación válida. Con esto ya se puede retirar. Que tenga muy buen día, la mejor de las suertes.
Gracias, gracias al señor juez y para usted
Thank you.
y para todos.
Thank
Gracias.
you for you, for everybody, for you, honorable judge. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
City of Detroit versus Javier Lomeli Medina, case number SP 128-9106, counts 1, 2, and 3. You better get your pen out, Ms. Hernandez, because most of these cases are not on.
Yes, se llama el caso del señor Javier Lomeli Medina, número de caso SP 185-09871, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
SP 133-3922, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 161-2919, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182-8756, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182-87201, SP 185-0987, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 187-7686, counts 1, 2, and 3. 18-432-0581, 18-461-301, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh my goodness. Well, I will do my best, Your Honor. También los cargos SP 161-29-19, cargos 1 y 2, SP 182-8756, cargos 2 y 3, 1, 2 y 3, SP 182-87-501, SP 187-0987, cargos 1, 2 y 3, SP 187-781, cargos 1, 2 y 3, SP 184-320581, 0, SP 184-61301, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Javier Lomelí,
Angélica Harris, representando al acusado, por favor, diga su nombre.
Javier Lomelí Medina.
Javier Lomelí Medina.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lomelli. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muchas
Está
gracias,
bien, yo,
señoría.
señor, le voy a poner una declaración de no culpabilidad. Le voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada que le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho a ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación.
Your Honor, can I know what the extra cases are?
Su señoría, ¿puedo saber, por favor, cuáles son los números de casos extras?
Join the room, please.
Señor, vaya a la consulta privada, por favor.
I'm just gonna give her the cases so you didn't have to read all of them, Mr. Unregistered, untitled, license improper, improper plates, no insurance, misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, drove while license suspended, license improper, no insurance, misdemeanor, 6 to 10 over the speed limit, license improper, unregistered, untitled, no insurance, misdemeanor, no insurance, misdemeanor, drove while unlicensed, expired plates, a no ops, license improper, unregistered, untitled, and a no insurance misdemeanor. I counted 22, I think. Join the room. He's in there. We'll pass the matter.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right.
Which one?
You're on 3.
Okay, but I cannot go. I don't have benefits. Okay, thank you. Okay, 3. Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Romero. Mr. Romero, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor Romero. Señor Romero, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué va a hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client wishes to go to his alphabet judge.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere pasar con el juez que le tocaría según el apellido de él en otra fecha.
All right, your alphabet judge is going to be Judge Herman Griffin. Your next court date will be April the 2nd, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Muy bien, señor. Así que, por favor, note que su próxima fecha va a ser el 2 de abril del 2026 a las 9 de la mañana con el juez Herman Griffin.
I marked the file needs Spanish interpreter, and the Zoom ID is 303340000.
Y, señor, ya yo he marcado aquí en su expediente que usted va a necesitar un intérprete de español ese día. Apunte ahora, por favor, el número de Zoom para que pueda entrar ese día.
If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Si no tiene algo que agregar, señor, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte. Señor, I think he's looking for a pen, Your Honor.
Okay.
¿Está listo? Are you ready?
Sí.
Okay. 360 334 0000. Repito, 360-334-0000. 360-334-0000. I repeat, 360-334-0000.
All right. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, señora. Así que si no tiene algo más que decir, le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Miguel Angel Gutierrez Riviera, case number SP 185-70201. Appearance for the record, please.
Over Asbury Jr. on
Miguel
behalf of
Ángel Gutiérrez Rivera.
You did call the case of Gutierrez, right?
Yes.
Sí, señor. I'm looking for where he is on the docket, Your Honor.
Second page on the pretrial.
Yes, got it. Thank you, Your Honor. Así que ahora se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Miguel Gutiérrez Rivera. Número de caso SP 1857-0201. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, comenzando con el abogado.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Elwood Asbury Jr. representando al acusado.
Miguel Ángel Gutiérrez Rivera.
Miguel Ángel Gutiérrez Rivera.
All right, today, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, señor. Este es el día y es la hora que hemos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio.
Perdón.
Excuse me.
Estaba aquí para enseñar la prueba de mi aseguranza.
I was here to show my proof of insurance.
All right, hold it up, sir.
Levántelo, señor.
I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Pues, señor, voy a desestimar su caso debido a que usted nos pudo mostrar documentación válida. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte. Caso desestimado.
Gracias, juez, y gracias a usted también.
Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you also to Madam Interpreter.
You're welcome.
De nada.
City of Detroit versus Armando Angulo Garcia, case number SP 1866086, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1866089, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Armando Angulo García. Números de caso SP 1866-089, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 1866-086, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, comenzando con el abogado.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Elwood Asbury Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Renunciamos que nos tengan que leer la denuncia y vamos a guardar silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond.
Muy bien, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0.
Mr. Garcia, I'll put you in a break. Can you state your name for the record, please? Good morning to you.
Y usted, señor García, ¿pudiera usted decirnos su nombre para que conste en el acta? Y buenos días usted, señor. Micrófono. Mike.
Hola, mi nombre es Armando Angulo García.
Good morning. My name is Armando Angulo Garcia.
All right, good morning. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien y buenos días a usted, señor. Lo vamos a pasar a una sala privada de consulta donde usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora para pasar a la sala privada donde dice join o unirse en la pantalla.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
We'll pass the matter.
Y pasamos su caso para otro.
Mr. Barry?
Your Honor, Mr. Garcia wishes to pay and therefore come back on another day.
Where's Mr. Garcia? He needs to come out of the room.
Yes, he does. He's coming.
And he needs an interpreter as well, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. It's my understanding you want to come back on another pretrial date, correct?
Así que vamos a volver con el caso del señor García. Señor García, tengo entendido que usted quiere regresar otro día, otra fecha para tener otra consulta previa al juicio?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that is fine.
Come back on April the 6th, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, así que regrese aquí el 6 de abril del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Ok.
Ok, si no tiene algo que agregar, que tenga buen día y buena suerte.
Bueno, muchas gracias,
Ok, thank you very much.
¿A qué hora va a ser? Me van a mandar un papel, ¿verdad?
And what time will it be? I am going to get some kind of notification, right?
You should, 8:30.
Es a las 8:30. Debería usted recibir notificación, pero si no la recibes a las 8:30, el 6 de abril.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
This is the city of Detroit versus Selvin Diego Lopez Tomas, case number SP 1863252, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de Selvin Diego López Tomás, números de caso SP 1863-25, dos cargos 1 y 2, que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Howard S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lopez Tomas.
Elwin S. Berry, representando al acusado. Usted, señor Tomás, díganos su nombre completo, por favor.
Selvin Diego López Tomás.
Selvin Diego López Tomás.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos en la corte y vamos a guardar silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez Tomas, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, entonces, señor López, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala de consulta privada para que usted pueda hablar con el señor Berry, su abogado. Él le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución actualizada, pero tenga en mente que si a usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación para pasar donde dice Join en su pantalla o unirse. Cuando vea la invitación, toque ahí para poder pasar.
He's in there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can you run that license, please, Ms. Mathis? Run this license as well, please.
Okay, Kenny, I've heard of this.
Yeah, no.
Oh, I heard it's backspace.
Somebody fell on him. He went down, somebody. I don't know if it's that bad. His arrest. Yeah. Take a precaution. You can sit up.
He won without him though, so that's a good sign.
I don't know. I saw the clip. The guy fell on. They were in the pile and then fell on.
So MVP candidate, what was that? So
Ms. Shariah Griffin.
Yes.
Turn your camera on now. Good morning to you. A City of Detroit versus Shariah Griffin, case number SP1590712. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Shariah Griffin.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Ms. Griffin, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your behalf and give you a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm gonna dismiss your case because you have a valid driver's license. You do owe $170 for that speeding ticket that you got at that time. And then you do have a hearing date on April the 1st, I believe, for the
Yes.
you know that date?
Yes, April 1st.
2 p.m. in courtroom 218. I just want to make sure you knew that. I'm going to
Okay.
waive the warrant here. And if you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, thank you.
Is your client ready, Mr. Berry?
He is ready, Your Honor, and he'll seek a trial date.
I'm gonna send him to his well, I am his alphabet judge.
Yeah.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Tomas. Mr. Lopez Tomas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date.
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso del señor López Tomás. Señor Tomás, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Señor Tomás, tengo entendido que a usted le gustaría regresar para tener un juicio, ¿es cierto?
Sí.
Yes. All right. For that date, sir, it's going to be April 9th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, señor. Así que por favor anote que su próxima fecha va a ser el 9 de abril de este año a las 9 de la mañana. Regrese ese día.
Ok. Es la misma corte, ¿verdad?
Will it be the same courtroom?
Yes.
Sí, señor.
Ok. Muchas gracias.
Thank you so very much.
I'll have a great day.
Que tenga usted un día muy bueno.
Gracias igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Joanna Martinez Garcia. Case number SP186-5236, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP186-56671. Appearance for the record, please.
Muy bien, así que ahora llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Juana Martínez García, números de caso SP18 65 66 7, cargo 1 y SP18 65 23 6, cargo 1 y 2. Y SP18 65 23 6, cargo 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor. Comenzando con el abogado.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Martinez Garcia.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., representando a la acusada, señora Martínez. Usted, señora, díganos su nombre completo.
Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Juana Martínez García.
Hello and good morning. My name is Juana Martínez García.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de lectura de cargos, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Well, good morning to you, ma'am. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señora. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y darle una fianza de $0. Lo voy a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien le va a tratar de conseguir a usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si no le gusta la oferta que le propone la fiscalía, usted siempre tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación para pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta.
Sí.
Yes.
Yo.
Va a decir join o unirse y usted pase ahí cuando la vea la invitación.
Okay.
Join o unirse.
When you see that meteor that crushed that came through the other day in Cleveland. So when we were driving down to Knoxville on Friday night, Saturday morning, we saw what we now, I guess that was a meteor too. Wow. I mean, it just zipped past the skyline, right? And went down, and then we were like, what was that? And my daughter was like, that's a shooting star. Well, yesterday we saw in the news that yesterday before that, a meteor hit in Cleveland. They said it was going
probably been like trying to catch it so fast though.
But it was gone so fast. It was
so fast.
bright and big. I said, that's not a plane. They just said, oh, and we were like, that's not a plane or a helicopter or nothing. And they were like, well, they thought it was a shooting star. And next thing you know,
I've been hearing a lot about, they saying a lot of sun flares lately.
They said that meteor yesterday in Cleveland, day before yesterday, I think it was going 45,000 miles per hour. They say that's kind of slow for a meteor too.
45,000 miles.
This thing just shot by. It was, that's a lot, huh?
Yeah, it is kind of busy too. Judges, you see.
I looked at that verse list down there.
It's fast. This is where they got a lot of tickets.
You can move a lot faster than that.
It's about at 8:30 now because of the Amazon. Then it's tax season too.
That was crazy.
Yeah,
That's something to see.
It didn't hit nothing, the meteor.
No, I can't think it exploded. It came to the atmosphere though, and I want to say that some stuff fell on the ground. It didn't hurt anybody or anything.
Okay.
We got enough missiles flying around as it is.
As long as nobody got hurt.
My son is playing today.
Oh, yeah. He geek.
He get to do what he wanna do.
Right.
You know?
Man, it's warm down there right now, ain't it?
No, he's gonna be in New Jersey.
Oh, that's cold.
It's gonna be 33 degrees.
He still got to play? How they
Oh,
playing?
yeah.
They playing the shorts and
Oh, yeah, they
long.
play in any kind of weather except lightning.
Wow.
Rain, sleet, hail, or snow. Oh my gosh, that Notre Dame game when he was in college was so cold. Oh,
I feel for him. It's the first game?
first game, no, this is be the third game.
Okay. They won their first two?
They lost the first one, they won the first one, lost the second one.
they
That
won.
second one was that home opener we went to this past weekend. Well, they won't, this doesn't count, this is a cup game. It doesn't count toward the schedule. What's Ms. Martinez Garcia want to do, Mr. Berry?
She'll need to go to her alphabet judge. She requires a trial.
Your Honor, Ms. Martinez Garcia is having great difficulty finding her, what she should touch to leave the breakout room. I've tried. I'm hoping that you can bring her out. I've had difficulty telling her.
Let's go back on the record, Ms. Martinez Garcia. Ms. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to go to her alphabet judge.
Así que volvamos en el acta con el caso de la señora Martínez García. Señora Martínez García, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Abogado, tengo entendido que ella quiere regresar para tener un juicio formal.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
All right, Ms. Martinez, I'm going to give you another court date in front of Judge Wagner.
Muy bien, señora Martínez. Sépase que le vamos a dar una fecha nueva para regresar virtualmente. Va a ser ante un nuevo juez, Wagner. Se llama Wagner.
That'll be April the 1st, 2026 at 8:35.
Y va a ser el 1 de abril del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
His Zoom ID is going to be 360-331-0000.
Anote por favor el número nuevo de Zoom para que pueda presentarse. Es 360-331-0000.
No.
Okay. Okay.
All right. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Muy bien, señora. Y si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte a usted.
Gracias, que tenga buen día.
Thank you. May you have a good day. And Your Honor, with your permission, I'll leave now. I see that Mrs. Hernandez is back.
All right, very well. Have a great day, Ms. Villarreal.
You do
See you
too.
soon.
And to everyone present, have a great day. Thank you.
That thing is huge.
Man, I love that stuff. Justice Calder, do you need an interpreter?
No, I don't.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Justice Alejandra Caldelaria, case number SP 184-91551. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Asbury Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Candelaria.
Justice Alejandra Candelaria.
Candelaria. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
A380, that's just a model. Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Caldera, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep it like the offer. You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, when you call again, Mr. Lomeli case, may I please may I be allowed to repeat all the cases numbers to be sure that they are good on the record from my part?
You may.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris fell off. So
yes,
now,
he has been having trouble.
do you want me?
Trouble with the computer.
Do you want me to? Do you want to do it now? Do you need me to read them all off again for you?
No, I just want the interpreter will repeat again the numbers, and I repeat it. So if I mess up in the first place, I'm correcting me now.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lomeli. Go ahead, Mr. Hernandez. You can read the case numbers if you need to.
Thank you. Pues vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso de el señor Lomeli y la señora Hernández, que el intérprete va a volver a repetir todos los números de cargos para asegurarse que el récord esté claro. Los números de cargos son SP 128-91061, cargos 1, 2 y 3. SP 133-39221, cargos 1, 2 y 3. SP 161-2919, cargos 1 y 2. SP 161-28751, cargos 1 y 2. SP 182-8756, cargos 1, 2 y 3. SP 182-27201. SP 185-0987, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Y SP 187-7686, cargos 1, 2 y 3.
I'm going to wait on Ms. Harris to see if we can get her back online.
Estamos esperando para que la señora Harris se pueda conectar nuevamente porque no está aquí, se cayó su comunicación.
Entiendo.
I understand.
All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Lomeli. Ms. Harris, what does your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el acta con el cargo del señor Lomeli. Señora Harris, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
It's my understanding that he is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation.
Señor, su señoría, entiendo que él va a dar su declaración y se va a adhiriéndose a la recomendación hecha por la fiscalía.
That would be 4 counts of improper plates. 1 count. Oops, sorry.
Go ahead. Go ahead before you go. I'm sorry.
4 counts of improper plates. 1 count failed to display. 2 counts of allowing, and an amended count of blocking traffic.
Señor, su señoría, los cargos van a ser 4 cargos por placas inapropiadas, 1 cargo por estar, por haber interferido con el tránsito, 1 cargo de no tener licencia y dos cargos por haber dejado que alguien sin licencia manejara. Y es un cargo por andar en exceso de velocidad.
Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere tomar este acuerdo?
Sí,
Yes.
sí, su señoría.
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's going to be 90 hours of community service to clear up everything.
Señor, va a ser 90 horas de servicio comunitario para resolver todo.
Sí, lo entiendo. Me parece bien,
Yes, I
su
understand.
señoría.
Yes, I agree. Yes.
All right, for purposes of efficiency, do you have any issue with stipulating to the faces of the tickets for the for the guilty pleas?
Está bien, usted va a estipular, señora abogada, con respecto a los a las boletas de tránsito por las cuales se está declarando.
Sí, está bien, entiendo.
Yes, I understand.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
All right, with that, I'm going to find your client guilty of failure to display for ticket number SP 1850971.
Está bien. Yo voy a aceptar su declaración por el ticket número SP 1850171.
I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the unregistered untitled and the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance for counts 2 and counts 3 of that same ticket.
Y también lo voy a encontrar culpable de placas inapropiadas y registro, no tener registro de los cargos 2 y 3 de ese mismo ticket.
I'm going to find your client guilty of the allowing for SP 184-32581 and amended count from no ops.
Y también del ticket 184 320 581 por el cargo enmendado.
And I'm going to find your client guilty for the SP 18461-301 count 1 of amended count of allowing for the improper license.
Y también de el número de ticket 184 6 801 y 2 por el cargo enmendado de placas inapropiadas.
And for count 2, I'll find him guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the unregistered untitled.
Y también de el cargo de placas inapropiadas y por el de registro, no tener registro.
And for count 3, I'll find him guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance misdemeanor.
Y en el cargo número 3 de esos mismos, de ese mismo cargo, por no de cargas de placas inapropiadas por el cargo menor de no tener seguro.
And I'll find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the 6 to 10 over.
Y responsable del cargo enmendado de ir entre de 6 a 10 de millas por hora por encima de el límite permitido.
Stipulate the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters.
Y con la estipulación, señora abogada, de la causa probable para la emisión de los tickets, voy a desestimar el resto de los mismos.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Estipulación hecha, su señoría.
All right, I'm gonna have you call Mr. Phillips this afternoon to set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until May the 20th to complete the hours.
Señor, yo le voy a dar hasta el 20 de mayo para que cumpla con todas estas horas. Tiene que llamar esta misma tarde al señor Phillips en el Centro de Justicia Comunitaria para arreglar con él cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser estas horas de servicio comunitario.
Me parece perfecto, lo llamaré ahora mismo en cuanto cuelgue con ustedes.
Yes, I think that's perfect. I will call him right away as soon as I'm off here.
Okay, if it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, le deseo la mejor de las suertes y que tenga un excelente día.
Muchas gracias, su señoría. Muchas gracias, señora. Muchas gracias por interpretar. Que tengan un hermoso día.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you very much, Madam Attorney, and thank you very much, Madam Interpreter. Have a great day, all of you.
You're welcome. Same to you.
Thank you,
Igualmente para usted, señor. Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you.
So, ¿ya puedo colgar?
Sí. So can I sign off?
May.
Sí, señor.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Calderia. Ms. Calderia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, she would avail herself of the people's offer to enter to the park being closed on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. Her number is in the chat.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
For community service?
Yes.
Correct.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Okay.
Do you understand that? That's yes or no?
Yes.
And do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 20th, 2026 at around 10:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodmere and Sharon. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
What is over there, ma'am?
I live close to the area. There's a park.
And were you at that park at that time?
Yes, I was in the parking lot of the park.
Very well. I want to find your client guilty as to the amended count of, as charged to the in the park after dark. You understand that the parks close at 10 o'clock. And basically, I guess I don't know of any, I guess it is some kind of defense to being in there after that time. But in this case, just being there is not a defense. And I have to find you guilty of that. 12 hours of community service. We will review. Can you get the hours done if you get the hours done in April the 15th, ma'am, come back April the 15th and we'll close the matter out, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
I do.
Call Mr. Phillips when you get off, set the hours up, come back April 15th. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, you as well.
And you're welcome. All right, I think that pretty much does it for us. I know Miss Lewis, she never came back. She was here. She had paid 2 related civil infractions for this matter of Shania Lewis. And one of them was a point ticket and another no insurance proof. She was here all morning, but she fell off. So, all right, that will conclude the morning, I think.